In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Trello boards. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, tasks, and workflows, but sometimes you need a physical or digital copy of your board for sharing, presenting, or archiving. Whether you're prepping for a meeting or just want a clear snapshot of your work, knowing how to print your Trello boards effectively can save you time and ensure all your details are captured. So let's dive in and walk through the entire process step by step. To start, open Trello in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific board you'd like to print by clicking on it within your workspace. Take a moment to review the layout of your board. Look over your lists and cards to make sure everything you want included is visible. If any of your lists are collapsed, expand them now to ensure they appear in the printout. Also, make sure you exit out of any cards that might currently be in edit mode. Next, think about the content you want to include. If there are any cards you don't want to appear in the final printout, go ahead and archive them. Archiving is a quick way to remove unnecessary cards from view without permanently deleting them. Now, locate the Show menu button in the top right corner of your Trello board. Click on it to open the sidebar. In the sidebar menu, select the More option. From there, you'll see an option called Print and Export. Click on that, and it will generate a printer-friendly preview of your board. In this preview mode, you'll have a few options to tailor the printout to your needs. First, decide whether you want to print the entire board or only specific lists. If you're working with a large board, selecting specific lists can help you focus on the most relevant information. Next, consider whether you'd like to include checklists in your printout. If the details in your checklists are important, make sure to include them. If not, excluding them can help keep your printout cleaner and more concise. Take a moment to review the preview. Double-check that all your cards, labels, and due dates are displayed correctly. If something seems off, you may need to go back to your board and make adjustments before proceeding. If your board has long lists, or if any content appears cut off, you can improve the layout by switching the page orientation to landscape. This wider format is often better suited for Trello boards. Additionally, you can adjust the scale of the printout to make sure everything fits neatly on the page. For the best readability, set your margins to small. Also enable background graphics so that your color labels and separators are clearly visible in the printout. These details can make a big difference in how your board looks on paper or as a PDF. When you're ready, click the Print button in the preview window. At this point, you'll be prompted to select your printer and preferences. If you'd prefer a digital copy, choose the Save as PDF option instead. If you're saving as a PDF, take a moment to name the file clearly and select a save location that's easy to find later. Once you've done that, click Print again to finalize the process. After printing or saving, review the result. If the printout doesn't look quite right, return to the preview and adjust the scale, orientation, or the specific lists you've selected. This will help you get the best possible output for your needs. And that's it. With these steps, you now know how to print your Trello boards efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.